Today I'm going to talk about talking to your local coding LM through Slack or GitHub with OpenHands. So the first thing we do is we open a terminal and we SSH into our favorite machine where we can run a local LM using something like VLLM. So this will be a server that we're able to connect to. And so the next thing we do is we go to the OpenHands cloud, app.allhands.dev. We input the model that we ran on the machine, and we point the base URL to the machine that we're running the model on. So this could be your, home server. It could be a machine in a company, something like that. You can then save the changes. And one of the nice things you can do now is you can now interact with it any way you can interact with the OpenHands cloud. And this includes sending a message on Slack and asking OpenHands to do something. You can then open up the conversation and watch the agent work. So I asked it to create a React app, and you can see that it's going through and taking all the steps that it needs to create the React app. You'll notice that this is pretty snappy, and the machine that we're running this on is the new NVIDIA DGX Spark, which is a really nice kind of local server that has a powerful Grace Blackwell architecture GPU in it. And so you can see that it's actually pretty quickly doing all the implementation. I'm going to speed this up a little bit just to jump through because, of course, implementing a full React app takes a little while. But let's let it keep going, and then I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so it looks like it's finishing up. It's gone through and implemented a bunch of things. I kind of cross-faded through some of the, longer implementation steps there. But then it summarized what it's accomplished, and the nice thing is that when it's done, it will send a message back to you. And let's say you weren't looking at the screen and you were just, kind of going and doing other stuff while the machine worked. What would happen is it would then think and send a message, and this message you could go back and look at on Slack, and you can see it successfully created a React application. And as you can see, this is the full app it created. I think this is pretty impressive for a local language model, specifically Qwen3, which is the one we used here. So if you're interested in doing this on your own hardware, you can go to app.allhands.dev to set up the OpenHands cloud, and then follow the instructions in the link that I'll post together with this video. Thanks a lot.